Today I'm replacing the anti-roll bar bushes on the front of Toyota Alphard 3 litre MX. You can buy the bushes from various places. This one is the TSB GSL25, you can see it there. And when you open the box, it's from Fairvest. Now I believe there's two different sizes of anti-roll bar, so you need to know which one it is. It's dependent on your chassis number. So that's the new one there. Okay, let's just open it up. That's the new one there, and that's the one that I took up from the other side. You see it's completely mashed up. So how do you get these up? You need to jack the car up, support the car in various positions, just to make sure it's nice and safe. I'm just going to go under the car and just going to describe how I'm going to do this. Now, this is the way I do it, which is the first time I've done this, so do check it with other people. You find your bush, which is just over there. So there, I'm trying to bring this out a little bit. Let me just bring this out. There we go. So that's where the bush is. So you'll see underneath it, you'll see the two bolts which I've removed, and they are 12mm bolts. So you move them from going from the top, then it's a lift off this section here, and this little metal covering comes off. What I've done is I've just raised the suspension up there to give this a little bit of give. Make sure you don't get your fingers trapped under there. So when you're being really careful, don't get your fingers trapped under there. You're really relying on this to hold it up. If that goes, then that anti-roll bar bush will come down. So when you're placing this, really careful, keep your fingers away from underneath. And then the reverse is just put it back on. When you put it back on, you'll see that the little under here, there's a little hole here, okay, and the little rubber point which is there. This bit will go through that hole, and that will locate it into position. Bolt it all down, and that's the job done.